Hakani ke jingalang lawan banishim bentar ki menteri Sorkar ki he officer ni ki jela bat na katna tourism. Hakaba kile tai sani ki lat klenti bagi senjam ki beri banshim ban kyntiew ya kakam Jngohkai hakari India bat kam tam haki jela ka than shtay lam mimi. Uga Jendra Singh Shekhawat ulong baka Sorkar Pdeng kala pentri kam daka Swadesh Darshan Scheme daga benta benerap pisa yaki Sorkar jela ban kyntiew kakam Jngohkai perthai. Bat naduk kesenam arhajar khatsau arhajar khatsan bat arhajar khat pra arhajar khat kendai. Sorkar Pdeng kalamang palat san hajar klor tengka ban pentri kam ya arpudrut ligi project ban apdeng kini khatrut ligi project kide hepok kathan lam mimi. Uli thoru baka Sorkar Pdeng lang baka Swadesh Darshan Scheme 2 kala penmenasan punyo teli ki jaka Jngohkai bethamai hakalengkari bat haduk mentala sedang pentrai lai pulai teli ki project haka jengdut kaba omduna ya kah nyos pakat san klor tengka. Menteri ke Sorkar Pdeng ula pentip ru bala betha ek Sorkar jela ban pa ek jing terwa haga bayadai bagi jing temu ban kentio ya ki spiritual tourism, culture and heritage, vibrant village programs ban eco-tourism bat ka Amrit Dharur sites bat ka Tanat tourism kala penbena ban penteri kam da ka dekho apna desh people's choice ban jit di kecaka Jngohkai kelengker India bat kino ki jaka ki besha ajit kyrpang yo kalat jingarap ban kentio ya ki jaka Jngohkai.
These meetings will also focus on development of iconic tourist places at global scale, development of alternative destinations, marketing and promotion, improving safety, connectivity, cleanliness, convenience, and ease of doing business in the tourism sector, along with sharing the best practices to attract private sector investment in tourism. Dear friends, as we all are aware, that under able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, our country is progressing economically. People all across the world, they are looking towards our country with more enthusiasm. They wish to know and they wish to understand India once again as it used to be in the previous times in the history. The diversity of geography, the diversity of culture, the diversity of nature, the diversity of cuisine, the diversity of religions, and on the other end, our own Indian people are also have started moving to know about India. Government of India under the Tourism Ministry have taken several programs. That was Swadesh Darshan scheme which was announced by Modi ji. Through this scheme, we are providing financial assistance to the state governments and union territories for development of tourism and new products of tourism through infrastructure developments. We are adding up new infrastructures for uplifting overall experience of the tourists. Since 2014-15 to 2018-19, total number of 76 projects were taken up by Government of India worth 5,000 crore rupees. Out of them, 16 projects were there in the northeastern states. Under the guidance of the Department of Expenditure, Ministry of Finance, the Ministry of Tourism has also released operational guidelines for special assistance to the state for capital investment. We have discussed at length to understand the issues, challenges, and opportunities for the various states through these meetings. In today's marathon meeting, which had gone almost 7.5 hours, every state have given their presentation, their preparedness, the challenges they are observing, the opportunities they are having, and I am so excited and glad to see the presentation, their preparedness, and their commitment to develop tourism as a driver of our developing economy. I must thank all the states, all the ministers and officials of the states. During this presentation, we have given a presentation From our ministry side, from Government of India Tourism Ministry side, we have requested all the states to look into developing new destinations to decongest our existing destination. And the insight which we have got having this discussion, the long discussions with the states, this exercise and the knowledge which we have acquired is going to help us in formalizing the new schemes for development of tourism. Our entire northeastern region is the safest places, are among the safest places in the world to travel. And simultaneously, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, we are formulating new scheme for border area tourism with the Ministry of Defence and Ministry of Home Affairs. I have requested all the states and the stakeholders to come up with the proposals for their respective states to formalize that new scheme.